Hi, this is Tina and Tim, and we're going to talk today about how to come up with a custody agreement before a child is born. It's probably a topic that people don't want to talk about because if you start the conversation early, you might not want to have a child with that person. Right, Tim?
Correct.
And what are some of the issues that are going to come up if you approach your girlfriend or boyfriend and say, hey, let's try to resolve custody just in case we're not together again?
I think one of the important things to consider here is that you have to get out of the mindset of, if we have this conversation, I'm foreshadowing or predicting the future that we're going to break up. That by having this conversation, somehow you're showing that you don't have interest or love for your partner. That's not the case. What I would suggest, flipping the script and thinking differently, is that you are making a conscious choice to create a life, to bring a life into this world. And the responsible thing is to provide and plan for all possible outcomes, or consider it as risk mitigation. Okay? This child did not ask to be created. This child did not ask to come into the world. So the responsible thing is to have that conversation. The what if? What if we don't last forever? Things happen. Finances change. As you grow up, you have different goals. Maybe you want to move down south and open a business, but your partner wants to stay here where it's family, in the hometown they grew up in. And that ends up being the demise of your relationship. Wasn't planned for, but you can plan for it. And that conversation is being responsible enough to say, if in the event that we don't work out, what is our plan for this child? What will it look like? What are the things that we're willing to agree on and not agree on?
And what, sorry to interrupt you, Tim.
Go ahead.
But I think the theme we're trying to tell you is maybe you want to start this dialogue, or if you're afraid to start this dialogue between the two of you, maybe you want to go and see a mediator. So the mediator can help facilitate the two of you to come to an understanding about all of the things Tim just explained. The what ifs. What if we stay together? What if we don't stay together? Well, there's a million and one things. So you want to be prepared for the what ifs, and nobody's going to penalize you for the what ifs. It's just being a, not an important person, but a person you're more in control if you do it in the beginning, and you'll be more responsible. You'll show responsibility, right, Tim?
Correct. It's no different than you're planning for the end of your life by buying life insurance, getting life insurance policies on your kids, life insurance policies for yourself. You're planning for that what if, okay? And so you have to think of it that way too. Mediation isn't simply for resolving issues for today, but it's planning on how to effectively communicate and resolve issues for tomorrow.
So this is what we recommend. We're going to continue on this topic, but we hope that you go to ondemandmediators.com. Again, that's ondemandmediators.com, and learn about the mediation process. Learn how mediation can help you. So again, our website is ondemandmediators.com, and we'll see you soon on the web.